Well, friends, come, let's go to Krishnagiri, Anandamayee, which is not just a home for senior citizens. Mr. Sanatkumar, this 72-year-old gentleman is a multifaceted personality, educationist, philanthropist, author, and environmentalist. Mr. Sanatkumar runs a CBSE school in a rural area called Kaviripattinam near Krishnagiri in Tamilnadu. He has introduced agriculture as one of the optional subjects. He proudly recollects how his association with Dr. Kalam helped him to introduce agriculture as one of the optional subjects in the CBSE school. Thanks to his efforts, nearly 8,000 students all over India are now studying agriculture. He also has a desire to make it a compulsory subject in CBSE. Above all, he has conceptualized a home which he doesn't want to call as a senior citizen's home, but it is a place which is worth seeing. Come on, let us go there and see.
It's a long felt dream for me to start such a place actually. I don't call it as a home or something because in our country, home is, they mean a different one. We call it as Anandamayee for senior citizens.
Exactly.
Park and all,
Exactly. Yeah.
in such a way with the wood and mud and I design, and then in such a way only I develop.
Yeah.
Here you see in 1 acre land, 100 cents,
Yeah.
80 cents of the land we have given importance for park,
Greeneries.
garden, and
Yeah.
remaining 20 cents only construction.
Okay.
The buildings are useful only for when it's raining and shining.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
all. Otherwise, we can. Each and every inch actually, it's designed by my second daughter,
Okay.
Pavitra, who is an architect. It is my dream. She has
And she fulfilled it.
fulfilled it.
Oh, great.
Initially, I started it only for my friends.
Yeah.
Because after certain time we need this kind of atmosphere to live in.
Okay.
Because in most of the families nowadays, the elders are separated. Every parent is very happy that their children settled in Australia, London, America and all. But at the same time, the elders are not ready to go there to live along with them.
In a different environment, different cold wave and all those things. Yeah.
So once in a way we can go and
That's
see
good.
them. One should be engaged always.
Okay.
That is important. Here we are giving a lot of activities. We have adopted villages.
Okay.
I have opened libraries in villages.
Oh, okay.
And then schools actually.
Okay. Sir, that temple which I have seen, it is having some speciality, like, vibration is there. Yeah.
My daughter
has designed it. Designed the dome. Huh?
Yes, echo will come.
Yeah, if you would say Om, it is
10 times it will.
It's really great, sir. I have visited your this Gaushala also, and it is also fantastic. And I think you are having so many, provisions for even fans are there in Gaushala. I have seen it, so it's really a great thing you have done for the. How many cows are there, sir?
5
cows.
We have. And one more thing, sir. Of course, milk we are getting organic completely. Vegetables here we grow.
Completely organic. Yeah. And you eat the same thing.
Yes.
And your food is very simple vegetarian, isn't it?
Yes.
And you don't have any chemical, anything mixed on
The
those.
spice and all will be very, very
Yeah, very, very light.
elderly people.
Yeah, it's really good.
We have a clinic there.
You are
inside.
clinic, fantastic.
We have clinic. Doctors are coming regularly.
Okay.
And then physiotherapist daily he is coming.
Oh, he is coming.
He is
Okay.
coming. And then
So I think this is a very fantastic one, what you have done.
Sri Ramakrishna Charitable Trust.
Okay, right.
There is a provision we made. The Ramakrishna Charitable Trust is running Anandamayee.
Okay, okay,
I am
okay.
the secretary,
Secretary for
it,
that,
former
okay.
secretary.
Yeah.
And my good friend.
And this area is not owned by anybody?
No, sir. It's a
Only,
trust.
only trust, belongs to the trust.
Trust.
Fine. So, how
God
is
has given me good assistance.
Yeah, definitely.
Because it's not a one-man show. One man can start anything, but he himself cannot push
Yeah,
anything.
exactly.
We are less number of people, some 20 or 25 people are here. This septic tank was filled once in 4 months or something.
Okay.
Every time actually we used to get the tanker to clean up,
Oh,
take it away.
very, very
We used
difficult.
to spend 25 to 30,000 rupees. There's 12,000 liters of water and a sledge and all to be removed.
Okay.
It's a very big amount every time.
Every
and
time.
then when the truck is coming, actually, the kind of smell also will be there. I was trying to find out
Solution.
what to do. And then some bioseptic tank and all, some people, Coimbatore, Delhi and all, they introduced. We discussed with them completely and then we applied a loan for it. Is coming around, expenses may come around 5.5 lakhs.
Okay.
5.5 lakhs.
Okay.
At the time, Mr. Shankar, who is living in village, he has come to Anandamayee. We told him. Then
Okay.
he said, actually, it's not necessary to spend that much money. And then within 1 lakh, I will make it.
Okay.
Especially in this way. We
So-
need not clean at all. With the help of bacteria and some mechanisms. And then he introduced, which impressed me very much, really. In most of the homes I have seen actually, before starting this one, I and my wife visited several homes.
Okay.
It is just like apartment.
Okay.
See, your house door always will be closed.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
When the bell is ringing, then you have to open the door and go for lunch
Okay.
or something. Immediately you have to.
Well, my dear friends, this is really a great experience to be a part of this Anandamayee in Tamilnadu near Krishnagiri. And here is a gentleman, Sanatkumar, who has dedicated his life for organic farming, eco-friendly living and concern for the senior citizens. At the age of 72, he is doing a great job. So we leave the Anandamayee with a heavy heart because we will be missing it from tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching.